Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you how to shorten these pants which the customer is wearing with the hoodie. So first I pinned on the customer to see exactly how much I have to take in, and as you see I have elastic at the edge. First what I'm gonna do is to mark exactly where I pinned. Then I also have to taper the legs and I will also measure that. So let's remove the pins, and you can take the ruler and measure exactly how much we need to shorten it. Next, I will take the seam ripper and I will start to remove the top stitch. After we remove the top stitch, as you see, the elastic was serged with the edge of the pants, so we need to do original just like the pants are made. But since I don't have exactly elastic, I will have to remove this one, so I have to remove all the serger thread first, and then I'll be able to shorten it and move it up. To remove the serger, as you see, you have two sides. One side it comes more like a triangle, and on the other side you can literally see the top stitches. So now I'm just gonna remove these two top stitches, and then the serger thread will come out very easily. To shorten the pants, first we have to measure exactly how much we have to take in. But before I'm gonna shorten, I will taper first. So let's say my hem is 7.5. Since I will taper a little bit, I'm probably gonna taper 1 inch, so I have to make sure to take that amount from the edge, and that's me in my edge. This is how wide have to be, so 3 inches to shortening. In centimeters is gonna be almost 8, so I'm gonna measure in both ways, so 8 centimeters or 3 inches. And I'm gonna measure from the edge, from one side and other side. This is gonna be the line that I'm gonna cut. Then I will mark 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch to taper the pants. Then I will measure 2.5 inches. This is how wide our elastic is, double. So we want to make sure we're gonna make exactly same wideness as the original, but with the taper leg included. Of course, all these have to be drawn inside the pants, so you can just draw and sew. I'm just showing you so you can understand what I'm doing here. So I tapered the pants and I also serged. Now I'm ready to sew the elastic back. Don't forget to mark the half of the elastic, that way so we can pin together on pants and serge all around. After we serge elastic together, we are ready to fold and also pin at the seam and on our side. And when we're gonna sew the top stitch, make sure you pull a little bit so that way the edge will be straight. And we will press the seam and a little bit of the edge and our pants are ready to go. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more.